There are two compressor options offered for 2001 Honda Civics and Acura ELs. These two options look similar, but are not interchangeable. Usually, the description notes 1-wire or 3-wire in reference to the electrical wiring from the clutch. In order to determine the correct compressor for the vehicle, take a look at the electrical connection coming from the compressor. Although most of the wires will be covered in protective wrapping, enough wire will be visible to determine if there are 1 or 3 wires. Take a look at GPD compressors 6511266 and 6512266 for reference. When replacing a compressor, it's good practice to replace the dryer, expansion valve, and O-rings. See GPD Tech Tip number 28, Tips for Better AC Service, for more information. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.